Way back in 1952, when I was 7 years old, I had polio, and it affected my muscles and my lungs. And I was okay till about 2 or 3 years ago when I was starting to lose the nerve damage in my legs and my lower back. And so it's progressively getting worse, and I'll probably be completely immobilized probably in the next 5 or 6 years. But because of the scooter, it's slowed down a lot because it's great help, keeps me off my feet. And I'm able to keep up with my wife, and we do a lot of trips together, and she does the hiking, and I just walk along beside her on the scooter. I looked it up on the internet and did some research, and we were looking for a scooter that we can handle and take with us on camping trips that's foldable and lightweight. And this scooter is by far the lightest one, easiest to handle. After I tried the other scooters and then tried this scooter, it's a vast difference. What I like the most about it is flying with it. I just flew to Boston with my daughter, and we spent 2 weeks in Boston, and I think I had to charge the battery almost every day. So I rode it a lot. It's easy getting in and out of the car. I have a car I don't have to break it down or anything. It's just pick it up and sit it inside the car. Very easy. I've met a lot of people that ask me questions about it, and I'm trying to be very honest with them, make sure that they are strong enough to pick it up and put it in the car, and they got some kind of able to move to the driver's seat back to the back of the car. I've done a couple of demonstrations where I've used their car and they've had a trunk, and I show them how it's broke down and I can pick it up, put it in the car. They're amazed. Use this scooter almost every day, and I use it a lot. I'm very dependent on it. It's nice to go to Costco and not worry, because they have wheelchairs there, but they're usually all gone. And I can park anywhere in Costco, and still I don't have to handicap park or anything, so it's easy.